welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring platform technologies, their evolutions, key concept, impact, challenges, and what the future holds. Let's dive right in. Platform technologies have come a long way. Initially, we had basic operating system that allowed application to run as the internet evolved. We saw the rise of web-based platforms enabling global connectivity and users' interaction. Key concepts in platform technologies include scalability, interoperability, and user-centric design. Scalability ensures platforms can grow with demand, while interoperability allows different systems to work together seamless. The impact of platform technologies is profound. They have transformed industry by enabling new business models, enhancing productivity, and facilitating global collaboration. Despite their benefits, platform technologies face several challenges. Security is a major concern with platforms often targeted by cyber threats. Additionally, data privacy regulation like GDPR complicate compliance. So what does the future hold? We can expect increased integration of AI and machine learning into platforms, enhancing personalization and automation. In summary, platform technologies have evolved significantly and continue to shape our world in myriad ways. While they often immense opportunities, addressing challenges like security and regulation is essential for the future growth.